Welcome to my channel Techy Indian. Today I'm gonna show you this bag. This is not an ordinary bag. It's a gadget organizer or cable organizer. You can organize your small gadgets all in this bag. So we will see how much stuff we can put into this. So let's get it started. Okay, I have that much stuff with me, so let's see how much stuff I can put it into that bag. Okay, let's start to fill this bag. So I have put all the stuff that I show you in the starting of this video in this bag. Also I put extra charger. There is much more space here also left, and here as you can see we can put a lot of things into it. So it is a very useful bag. So how it looks like after. So here's your gadget bag ready. You can travel with this bag with all your accessories sorted out. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel and comment what you like in this bag. Thanks for watching this video.